So in this week's video, I will share with you a decor leaf tray that I made some time ago. I am Renee if you're new here. Now, some time ago I had this leaf that fall from a mango tree of mine, and I decided that I am going to use it to create something, and then this leaf tray came into mind just to have it as a decor. Now what I tested a few leaves first to see how I would use them, so I tried with cement and stuff, but it didn't work. But now I'm actually trying this method and I hope it works. So here I'm cleaning the leaf with alcohol, and then I will go in with my Mod Podge. So what the Mod Podge does is to seal the leaf and to help to create that shiny look as well. So after adding the Mod Podge here, I create a mixture with paint and baking soda. So here I create the mixture with the paint and baking soda. So I will mix it out here with the baking soda just to create a little thickness, and then I will add 3 coats of paint to each leaf so I can get that thickness. As you can see as well, the Mod Podge makes it a bit shiny, so I will go ahead, paint it 3 coats each of them, and once I finish paint and they dry, I go back in with the Mod Podge to give it a little sheen and just to seal that paint in, and this is what it looks like. I hope you like how this turned out. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Please comment below if you like it.